Hi, we are a family abroad. We are your typical Midwestern family with a mom, dad, 2 kids, a dog, and a huge love of travel. We want to see it all, taste it all, and have all the fun along the way. In our first video, we traveled to Vancouver and boarded the Sapphire Princess heading towards Alaska. Our first stop was Ketchikan, where we went snorkeling in 50-degree water, seeing beautiful sea life, and even a bald eagle catching fish. In this video, we cruise on to Juneau. Sadly, the weather canceled our plans for a helicopter ride to the top of a glacier, but we didn't let it ruin our day. Despite the rain, we found adorable sled dogs to ride along with and even got to cuddle the puppies. Next, it was off to the marina for an amazing, albeit very wet, whale watching experience. We then sailed to Skagway, where we started our day with a delicious and informative cooking class with a local chef. That afternoon, we traveled through the breathtaking scenery of the White Pass summit, following the same path gold prospectors went along in 1898. Come along with us on our adventures through Juneau and Skagway. Thanks for watching!
Welcome to Juneau, Alaska.
So, helicopter tour, not gonna happen. Sled dogs are gonna happen. Now we're walking into Juneau, pouring rain, and we're gonna take a gondola up that mountain. Above the clouds. So the tram station, when you get to the top of the mountain, looks a little precarious. Definitely a little wet on the top of Mount Roberts, but we're gonna go explore. About halfway. Summit's up there, but we're gonna stop here. Super rainy.
Oh yeah. The wind just blew my rain hood off. It's insane.
Today we are having a quick little munch. We are eating at the Red Dog Saloon.
Diana's gonna do a duck fart. It's a shot that this place is known for. Here we go.
It's actually not that bad.
Resounding endorsement. Gold Creek IPA though, super good. It's like a West Coast IPA.
And the root beers are pretty good too. They're on tap, I think.
Yep, I think it's
And they're like from Alaska, so they're pretty good. So, I also forgot to add this in my little video earlier, but there's also sawdust floors. Yeah. I don't really know why there is sawdust floors, but there is, and they dried off my shoes from the wet rain. So excited. Dog.
It's so wet and cold. This is
It's miserable, but the dogs are making it all worth it.
actually maintain this puddle for the dogs. So on other days where we don't have, thankfully Mother Nature helping us out with a sprinkler system, this is just a spot for these guys to be able to lay down, kind of cool off, catch a drink.
The weather sucks.
Okay.
What do we think? Sled dogs.
So cool, but it was so awesome.
It was awesome. It was unbelievable.
I got to hold it. A puppy. A puppy.
Still cold, still rainy. We threw a bunch of clothes in the dryer, and now it is time to get ready again because we are going back out into the rain and the cold to hopefully see some whales.
I'm super excited to see the whales. We've seen some, a lot actually, but not one breach. We're looking for a breaching whale.
So yeah, we gotta get a breach. That's the only other thing we're looking for.
We've gotten whales, whale tails, spouts. We've gotten almost all of it, except for the
Oh,
best
and bubble
part.
feeding. We do need to see bubble feeding still. Back inside the boat, heading back in, tons of whales.
Oh yeah, we saw like a huge whale that like got out of the water like, I don't know, maybe 3 feet, and it just like jumped out. It was so cool.
There's another one that was right next to the boat.
Insane.
Like right there, and he was huge. He was like the size of a school bus. It was insane.
It's nuts. Our cleaning person made this right here. That's so sweet of him.
All right, so it's day 5? I can't remember. But we're in Skagway, and check out this view. So we're doing a Yukon trip into Canada this afternoon, and this morning we're doing something that I'm super excited about. It's a cooking class, I guess, with a Alaskan chef.
Welcome to Skagway! They already look like they have some bread on them, so they're gonna be ripe soon.
Direct the flavor profile.
What's this place called? Bonanza and Skagway. Super good.
Super tasty, that's all that's left. Super good. Clean plate.
It's literally, I can see the sun right now. It's snowing up on the mountains and it's raining right here. What the actual heck?
Life is crazy.
All right, next up we're in Skagway, getting ready to get on a tour bus, right?
Yeah, to go to Canada. Because we're like, I don't know, an hour away. We're gonna see a lot of cool things there. So yeah.
Are only just amazing. There's glaciers up in the mountains, and the mountains just go so high.
USA-Canada border.
Yeah.
We made it.
I feel like I'm gonna get windburned.
It's pretty cool.
I'm already windburned.
Oh my!
Wow.
Right? Oh yeah, tell me what the blueberries are like.
You can have one if you want.
Right here, I'll pick one for you since you got gloves on. Try that one.
It's like a frozen blueberry. It's a little bitter, but it's super duper good. Look at that. Seriously. We were just about to drive back, and we saw a enormous blue glacier.
Lake here.
Yeah. You can zoom in and see the video. doing a little cemetery tour. It's super different because they have the little picket fences around a lot of them. Interesting. What'd you think of the cemetery, Boo?
Sad, but very cool at the same time. I enjoyed it.
How about the waterfall?
Awesome. It